Hey, this is a 2016 Land Rover Discovery, and I've been trying to find a video on how to pop off the top seal weather strip without popping off the whole panel, and I couldn't find any videos, so I'll show you how to do that. To start off, you'll need to pop off this cover here. There's a screw there, and then also this little trim piece around the handle. There's two screws, one on the bottom, one on the top. To take off at least one screw on the top, just to have more wiggle room. Alright, so this is the little cover I was talking about. There's a Phillips head. Pretty much just put it on there, pry a little bit. Don't want to use any metal tools because they will scuff up the edges on this. As you can see, everything is fine with this one, just pops right off. There are two T30 screws. Like I said, you probably only have to pop off the top one. So that's what we're gonna do. With the T30 torque bit, comes right out. Then I like to wind the window down to get some ignition going. A tool like this works really good on these ones. So you just want to shim this up in between the seal and the panel itself, and then just pull back and make your way towards the front of the car. They're just metal clips that hold everything in place. And then with this plastic piece, I will just move this out of the way. You can even just jam it in there and leave it in there. And then with the clip puller, you go down there and you grab the seal, and it is out. I originally pulled the sweep to tint the window, and now that it's tinted, I'm gonna grab the seal. First of all, I'm gonna clean it up, give it a good wipe down and rinse it off, just so that it doesn't scuff up the new window film. It's all washed and rinsed off now. To put it back in, just pull the panel back towards you a little bit, and I have to be super careful with the new film, but you want to make sure the seal goes in between into that little gap. So I'm gonna pry this off again and then slide it down there. So I just grabbed the plastic piece from the bottom, pulled it out. As you're pulling it out, just push the seal in. Now it's all the way in. Line the panel up with the clips, and then everything is in. Wipe down the window, wipe down the panel, and we are good to go with this one. T30 going back in, and the Phillips head on the side.